If you have purchased a stock from the seller and you feel any issue regarding product, you can cancel or stop your stock order. Our Resolution Center will help you for this. Please go to Stocks, then click on In Progress Stocks, where you can find all your in progress stocks list. Click on the stock name which you want to cancel. A new window will open where you can see your order details. On the bottom you can see it's written Reject the order and go to Resolution Center. Once you click on that, another page will open. Resolution Center, write title, description, then submit. After submission, your product seller will get a notification. Once he will open that notification link and reply to you, you will receive a new notification. Click on that notification, a new page will open where you can see a link. Click on that link, another page will open where you can see seller's reply. You can resolve the issue through chatting. Buyer send a message to seller. Your seller get a notification, then click on link and message you back. You can cancel the order or confirm it. Once you click on cancel order, status will be changed to cancel order. After few conversation, you cancel the order and seller agree to refund it. Buyer get a notification, clicks on that link, where you can see stock order details. Now the status will show refunded. That means your money is refunded. You can check your account is credited. Thank you.